StatEx condensed aerosol technology is the most effective and economical fire extinguishing solution currently available. StatEx units consist of extremely rugged, self-contained stainless steel canisters. These sealed generators contain a solid compound that, when activated, produce an ultrafine cloud of condensed aerosol which chemically extinguishes a fire without any harmful effects. The StatEx generators are non-pressurized, easy to install, and virtually maintenance-free. In an electrical switchgear room, StatEx units are wired to a central control panel and mounted to the walls of the room. Standalone StatEx units with mechanical heat-detecting actuators are also positioned inside electrical cabinets for localized fire protection. An early warning aspirating smoke detector, which continuously draws air through multiple holes in a network of pipe and transports it to a sensitive detection unit, provides early warning of fire or smoke. The aspirating smoke detector is linked to a fire alarm control panel, which triggers visual and audible alarms. A small fire starts inside one of the electrical cabinets, releasing smoke into the room. The rising smoke is drawn into the piping network and quickly detected by the aspirating smoke detector. The detector signals the control panel, which triggers the visual and audible alarms. As the fire continues to grow, the rising temperature inside the cabinet initiates the discharge of a StatEx unit. Condensed aerosol chemically interacts with the fire, extinguishing it within seconds, remaining in suspension to prevent reignition of the fire. 10 minutes later, the aerosol cloud is vented out, leaving little or no residue and no peripheral damage. In our second scenario, fire starts inside several cabinets, releasing smoke into the room. The smoke is quickly detected by the aspirating smoke detector, which signals the control panel, which, in turn, triggers the horn and strobe. As the fire continues to grow, this time in several cabinets, StatEx units in each of the cabinets are actuated, and thermal switches are triggered, sending a signal to the control panel, which initiates full room fire suppression. A second horn and strobe goes off, giving a 30-second warning of a total flooding event. All the wall-mounted StatEx units discharge into the room. The aerosol clouds remain buoyant, reducing the risk of flashover or reignition of the fire. After 10 minutes, the room is vented out, leaving little residue and no toxic or harmful byproducts. Replacing StatEx generators after discharge is easy, as no pressure cylinders or piping is required. Room operations are able to resume within a short time.